G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we are making the blue winter shot, which is a delicious shot, and we're going to get started right now. So the first thing you need to do is grab your shaker. We're going to pour 30 mils of vodka into your shaker. We're going to do 15 mils of a blue cocktail liqueur. We're going to do half a fresh lime. And the last piece of the puzzle is a sugar cube. Drop that in and get a muddler. Just give that a quick muddle. All right, load it up with some ice. And shake away. Grab these beautiful little cut crystal shot glasses, and dip it in some sugar glucose. Into some coconut flakes, and then we'll grab our hawthorn strainer, which doesn't seem to be here, so 1 second. We found the hawthorn strainer. Slap it on top of your shaker and strain away. And there you have the winter blue shot. Enjoy. So today we are making the beautiful and delicious winter storm, which is delicious, trust me. So we're gonna make that. It's a winter storm. It's not winter storm, what is it? G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mix-Up. Today we're excited to start again. Let's go again. So today we are making the winter blue shot, which is a delicious shot that we'll make today. Let's go again. G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the G'day guys and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mix-Up. Thank you Cass for taping up the so you get updated every week when we release these.